Hello ladies, welcome to today's video on the 5 laws every Indian woman should know. Because of the increasing crime rate against women, every woman is pushed to a situation to tackle herself at the period of crime. To do that, she should be aware of such laws existing in her country. The first one, which I'm going to share with you, is the Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act of 2013. These days, women are socially forced to go for work and many prefer it by choice. Just being a woman can't be a hindrance towards your passion, that too because of the third person's look on you or opinion on you sexually. To protect women, working women from male counterparts, colleagues or your boss from their sexual conduct on you, whether verbal or non-verbal, or look of like that, or request for something like that, or showing you pornography, anything related to sexual attack or assault, or talk like that, sending you some irrelevant sexual messages and stuffs, you can obviously approach police and lodge a complaint against them. And it has been mandatory that every organization has an internal complaint committee to deal with such issues. The next one would be Maternity Benefits Act 2017. Being a woman or your motherhood, your choice of having a kid shouldn't be a hindrance for your work balance. To balance your family life as well as work life, the government has provided you, the constitution has provided you with a law to protect yourself. Thank you for the constitution to have such a law so that to protect ourselves, women, because at that period the kind of health issues we face and the mind issues we face are really terrible and we need more rest. According to this act, every employer has to grant some special facilities to every female employee during the tenure of her pregnancy. She should be given work from home opportunity with normal pay benefits and also paid maternity leave from 12 to 26 weeks, and also some crèche facilities at the workplace. This act gives more advantage for women who are pregnant. Ladies, have a happy pregnancy utilizing these concessions which you have without spoiling both your career and your family. At the end of the day, health is wealth. Don't preoccupy yourself during pregnancy without using these concessions. The next one is Dowry Prohibition Act. It exists since 1961, yet some people have not changed. That's so funny as well as something to worry about. I think I don't have to explain much about this. This is something made by the Constitution to protect women and their family. Women, please be aware of this, and not only this, always have self-worth, that nobody can measure your worth based on what you bring on or whatever money you bring on to that family. The worth you get and respect you get because of what you take into their house is not going to exist till the end. If you don't have anything at the end of the day, your love will also be lost. The next law would be Protection of Women from Domestic Violence. It exists since 2005. This exists to protect women from those men who are very abusive and who beat women, who torture them both mentally, physically and also psychologically, and they give a life threat for them. For such gens, to protect a lady from such gens, you may utilize such laws. This law doesn't shrink only with husband, it also includes the sister-in-law or any other relatives of your husband who tortures you, and also the in-laws like mother or father-in-laws. If they torture a woman, she could readily approach the police and protect herself. If it's really life-threatening, she could do this, not for petty things and normal issues at home. The next one is Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006. This doesn't happen nowadays, but in some places, yes, it do occurs. And please be aware that girl is not ready for marriage and other activities at a small age. So if you are facing such things, or if you find someone facing this, protect them by complaining of aware of such laws and protect yourself and other ladies surrounding you. Bye bye. See you in a very nice video again.